It's been an exciting year for our research community since our last update. Numerous St. Joe's researchers have been awarded competitive research grants. Dr. Don Bowdish and Dr. Andrew Costa were awarded $750,000 by the CIHR in support of research on accelerated brain aging caused by respiratory infections. Dr. Sarah Svenningsson, along with co-PI Dr. Param Nair, are leading a study on abnormal airway structures and their effects on asthma treatment, which was supported by a 3-year grant of nearly $1 million from the CIHR. More recently, a Hamilton team led by Firestone scientist Dr. Manali Mukherjee was awarded a $2 million grant to study the role of mucus in asthma, COPD, and chronic cough. Dr. Gillian Halliday was granted CIHR funding to support research in concurrent mental health and substance use disorders among youth. The award is co-funded by McMaster and St. Joe's and will provide $400,000 over 4 years to support Dr. Halliday's research. Researchers studying Contactin-1, a protein linked to prostate cancer progression, were granted over $800,000 from the CIHR. This work is being led by Dr. Dan Mutang and was recently featured in our 2023 to 2024 annual report. In May, the Juravinski Research Institute announced a $5.1 million gift to support research in the areas of cancer and brain health, incorporating elements of artificial intelligence, diagnostic imaging, and biobanking. And finally, in October, St. Joseph's Healthcare Foundation unveiled the Thomas Kevel Advanced Vitreoretinal Imaging Lab, made possible through a $1 million gift from Mr. Kevel. At the lab, Dr. Varun Chaudhry and his team are leading cutting-edge research in advanced vitreoretinal imaging analysis to personalize treatment options, with a goal to enhance patient outcomes for everyone living with age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Our researchers and institute received several accolades this past year. St. Joe's leapt ahead in the annual rankings of Canada's top 40 research hospitals, moving ahead 2 spots to 22nd overall. Early in the new year, Dr. Paul O'Byrne, Dean and Vice President of the Faculty of Health Sciences and an affiliate researcher in respirology, was appointed as an Officer of the Order of Canada. Dr. Manali Mukherjee was named the AstraZeneca Chair in Respiratory Diseases, and Dr. Benicio Fry was named the inaugural Homewood Research Chair in Women's Mental Health and Depression. Dr. Michelle Coe was honored as a member of the Royal Society's College of New Scholars, Artists, and Scientists, and Dr. Martin Kolb was elected as a Fellow of the Canadian Academy of Health Sciences. The Royal Society of Canada awarded the McLaughlin Medal to Dr. Deborah Cook. Weeks later, Dr. Cook was inducted into the Canadian Medical Hall of Fame. And finally, our Executive Director, Sarah Howe, became our first Chief Operating Officer. One of the top newsmakers since our last update was Dr. Michelle Coe and the CYCLE team. In June, Dr. Coe presented the CYCLE trial findings at the Critical Care Reviews meeting in Belfast, Northern Ireland, with simultaneous publication in the journal NEJM Evidence. More recently, a systematic review on in-bed cycling, led by Dr. Heather O'Grady, was also published in NEJM Evidence. It showed patients who cycled spent 1 day less in ICU and 1.5 days less in hospital overall. And in May, we co-hosted an exciting event at our West 5th campus, St. Joe's first Schizophrenia Awareness Day. This event brought together researchers, clinicians, and local stakeholders to share the latest developments in research and treatment for schizophrenia and schizoaffective disorders. It also served as the official launch of Boehringer Ingelheim's cross-country mental health tour, an experiential learning opportunity for staff. We're looking forward to what the next year has in store for research at St. Joseph's Healthcare Hamilton.